Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and this is the Big Bull, I think number 12. Yes, number 12 Big Bull Matchbox from 1975. And this is a really decent one. It's still got its tracks. The tracks are still pliable. They're still, you know, finding one of the tracks on it is rare. Other than a little scratch right here, a little chrome missing, because that's probably where people were grabbing it and playing with it. And you can see right along here where the paint has come off, probably playing across the carpet, because I don't think this thing's ever been played with in the dirt. There's no dirt on it. This thing is really, really, really clean. Give you a little close up there. It says Cobra on the valve cover, so has to be a Ford motor. But this is a really, really nice, clean, all together with the tracks on it. It's all there. Other than one little scratch and the wear off on the bottom, it's decent. So guys, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to throw this thing on eBay. I've got several of these. I have one absolutely perfect one with the tracks on it, and I got several that don't have the tracks, and they look like they've been drugged through the mud and buried for 10 years, and you know, so on and so forth. But this one, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on eBay. I'm going to put the link down there. It's going to be for $7 plus shipping. Here's the secret for you guys and you guys only. Send me an offer for $5. $5, it's yours plus the shipping. Just send me a message. I seen the video. You know, when you send the offer, it says I seen the video. And if you would, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a share, give me, you know, a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel. This is how I'm going to end up paying for, you know, miscellaneous on this channel. There might be another couple of other little dings on the thing, but this is still a nice little tractor. So anyways guys, I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to get this video up, and I hope one of you guys end up with it, because this is a really nice piece. It would be a really, really, really super easy one to restore if you want to do it. This would be a perfect one for a beginner to restore, because you don't have to do anything. You got you do your multi pin, you know, one of these for the chrome on there, and get yourself the green metallic paint and the flat yellow or gloss yellow non-metallic paint. Get that on there, and you got a good one to restore right away, and you'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna put it on eBay. Send me a message when you send the offer for $5. It's yours. Say I seen the video, and it's all yours. So I will get with you guys on the next video. I really appreciate you guys that have watched, you guys that have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, do it. It'll really help the channel. Give me a thumbs up. That'll help too. So thanks a lot.